dear God in heaven.
Open the door. Open it.
What's the grade?
Get her. You. Oh, Kaylee, come here. Oh, dear God in heaven. You're on a heart attack. Kaylee! Go get her. Kaylee! Come look! Look, he brought your present back.
He brought the thing back.
Well, he brought Chloe's thing back.
Kaylee's old forehead. She doesn't have none.
Oh, here he comes again.
Is that Santa Claus?
Does that look like Santa Claus?
No. But he's just like an elf.
I think he's
Thank you. He's a man. I saw his white. He's not the real Grinch.
He's a man.
You saw his white? His white what?
His white skin. He was just dressed up.
Oh,
Do you
so
think?
it's a man? You better go tell your sister. She's crying.
I was. Kaylee, the Grinch was this a man. The real one.
Kaylee? Kaylee, where are you? Kaylee? Wait, what are you doing?